Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to our presentation on sport strategies and how they relate to discrete mathematics. In this presentation, we will explore how mathematics abstract in class is actually being applied in real life, especially in sports where strategic decision making is key. We are from Group 9 and these are our members. For this presentation, we have divided our topic into four parts, which are application of discrete mathematics, problems which could arise, creative improvement or solution, and conclusion. In this slide, I will explain how discrete mathematics is used in real life, especially in sports. Discrete mathematics focus on countable and separated values such as logic, sets, graph, and probability. Unlike continuous math, it deals with things we can clearly measure, like scores, player stats, or win-loss outcomes. In sports, coach and analysts use probability to make smarter decisions. For example, if a football player scores in 7 out of 10 games, the coach can estimate a 70% chance he will score a game. This helps in deciding who to play and what strategy to use. Probability is also used to predict injuries, study patterns in wins and losses, and plan better training sessions based on team weakness. So, overall, discrete mathematics helps turn numbers into smart strategies by making it a powerful tool in competitive sports.
Okay, problem which could arise without the implementation of discrete mathematics. Without using discrete mathematics, especially probability, many problems could arise when it comes to making smart decisions in sports. First, let's talk about wrong player selections. Without proper statistics, coaches don't have clear data to rely on when choosing players. This can lead to poor decisions like fielding the wrong player for an important match. Second, guesswork strategies. Without a number of bad decisions, coaches may depend on gut feeling or guesswork. This increases the risk of making poor calls that could cost the team a game. Third, a real life example. Imagine a football player who got injured 7 out of 10 times when he played too much in 1 week. That's a 70% injury risk. If no one tracked that patterns, his injuries could get worse because decisions are made without the help of stats or analysis. Last but not least, injury risk increases. When player workload is tracked, athletes may unknowingly push themselves too hard. Without noticing the injury pattern, both the player and coach could overlook the warning signs. So without probability and data analysis, a team may face unnecessary injuries, strategy failures, and poor performance, all of which could be avoided with just a bit of counting and calculations. Then
Next, we go to creative improvement or solution using modern technology. First, we got AI and machine learning. AI can analyze historical data and apply probability models to predict player performance and match outcomes. For example, using discrete data such as pass goal, assist, and fatigue levels, AI can suggest the best lineup or substitution strategy. Next, IoT and wearable device. Smart wearables like fitness bands or chest strap can monitor player physical condition in real time, including heart rate, speed, and stamina. This data can be processed using discrete math models like set theory and statistics to make decisions such as when to rest a player or adjust the team formation. Third is a big data and cloud computing. Large amount of player and team performance data can be collected and stored in the cloud. Graph theory, a branch of discrete mathematics, can then be used to analyze team passing networks, detect weak links, and improve coordination between players. That we go to data visualization and analytic tools, software that you visualize data like heat maps or passing metrics help coach and analyze understand the pattern of play. The visual outputs are based on discrete data points and make complex performance in sync easier to understand and apply during training or match. And lastly is smart decision support system. By combining AI and discrete mathematics, teams can create a real-time decision support system. For example, if the probability of winning drops below a certain percentage when a key player is tired, the system can alert the coach and recommend a substitution.
The use of discrete mathematics is a key tool in sports. Coaches, analysts, and trainers use probability to predict injuries, study patterns, evaluate formations, and plan training. It ensures decisions are based on data, not guesses. Without it, they would rely on gut feelings. This could lead to poor formations, ineffective training, and more injuries, all of which hurt player performance. Today, discrete math works with tech like AI, big data, and IoT. These tools help coaches monitor players and build better strategies to beat opponents. In conclusion, discrete math in sports works really well. It can boost team performance and shows that numbers, when used smartly, lead to real world success. And thank you for watching.